The making of Lay's chips. Every crunchy chip starts as a simple potato, but the journey from farm to bag is carefully controlled and fascinating to watch. At farms, fresh potatoes grow in neat rows, nurtured under bright sunlight. Once harvested, trucks transport them to the factory with speed and care.
Keep it moving.
Inside the factory, potatoes are unloaded onto conveyors, ready for inspection. High-pressure washing machines remove all dirt and debris, leaving them clean. Automated sorting systems separate potatoes by size and quality, rejecting damaged ones. Next, mechanical peelers remove the skins quickly and efficiently. Potatoes are sliced into ultra-thin chips with high-speed rotating blades, flying onto conveyor belts. Water baths rinse away excess starch, keeping the chips crisp and light. The slices then move through hot air drying tunnels to remove moisture before frying. Inside industrial fryers, the chips bubble in golden oil, forming the perfect crunch. Excess oil is removed as the chips spin in high-speed centrifuge machines. Now comes the flavor. Industrial mixers blend seasonings and spices for Lay's iconic taste. Chips tumble through rotating seasoning drums, coating every piece evenly. Workers perform final checks, ensuring only the best chips make it forward. Automated weighing machines measure chips before they're filled into branded bags. Bags are sealed, printed with expiration dates, and carefully inspected. Robotic arms pack the bags into cartons, ready for shipment. Finally, these iconic chips reach stores worldwide, ready to crunch and delight millions. From potato to packet, every step is designed for perfection. And that's the making of Lay's chips.